Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's digital world, newsletters have emerged as a powerful tool for generating income online. They serve as a direct communication channel between creators and their audience, fostering a sense of community and trust. The first step in monetizing a newsletter is to identify your niche. Whether it's technology, wellness, finance, or lifestyle, aligning your content with your passions ensures authenticity and engages a dedicated readership. Building a substantive subscriber base is crucial. Start by offering valuable content for free to attract initial subscribers. This could be in the form of exclusive insights, tips, or downloadable resources that resonate with your target audience. Promote your newsletter through social media channels, partnerships, and collaborations to widen your reach. The more subscribers you have, the greater your potential earning opportunities. Once you have established a solid foundation, explore various monetization strategies. One effective approach is to incorporate ads into your newsletters. Collaborate with brands or affiliate programs that align with your content and audience's interests, creating a win-win situation for both parties. Alternatively, consider offering premium subscription tiers where subscribers pay for exclusive content or perks, such as early access to articles, downloadable resources, or members-only webinars. Another lucrative method is to create sponsored content. Brands are eager to reach your engaged audience, making sponsorship opportunities an attractive source of revenue. Just ensure that the sponsored content matches your newsletter's theme and maintains the trust of your readers. Selling products or services through your newsletter is another option. Whether it's merchandise, ebooks, or online courses, the possibilities are endless depending on your expertise. Furthermore, leverage your newsletter to drive traffic to other income-generating platforms, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or online course. The integration of these elements contributes to a holistic growth strategy. As your newsletter flourishes, continuously assess your content and engagement metrics. Utilize feedback from your audience to refine your approach and enhance the value you provide. This iterative process is essential for long-term success. In conclusion, the journey to making money online through newsletters requires strategic planning, dedication, and continuous engagement with your audience. By focusing on providing genuine value, exploring diverse monetization avenues, and adapting to your subscribers' preferences, you can transform your newsletter from a simple communication tool into a thriving income stream. Start today and unlock the potential of your online presence.